Hey, Andie here, and I wanted to give you a quick update on my results from last week using this ninja strategy with the harmonic scanner, or we're also calling it the quick fire strategy as well within our team. So a few days ago I did a video and it was kind of halfway through the week last week, and I wanted to give you an update on where I'm at now that I've completed 8 weeks of testing this strategy. So here's my spreadsheet. If you've been on previous videos, this should look familiar. Basically, week 8, which was last week, I was able to accumulate 163.6 pips. Keep in mind, my weekly, I'll put this down here, my weekly goal is 50. And I was able to do about 3 times, a little over 3 times that. And if you recall, we'll go back up here to my spreadsheet. My daily goal is 10 pips per day. Trading 5 days a week would be 50 pips per week with a profit of $5. Now again, the whole point of the strategy is to get very comfortable with getting the 50 pips per week and then increasing my lot size to increase the profits. Okay? So again, my daily goal, 10 pips, weekly goal, 50. Right now, trading small lot sizes to get comfortable. I am very confident with this strategy now. And just like I said, if we look at week 8, I was able to get 163.6. Now that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was actually 6 days of trading. So I did trade on Sunday. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I trade on Fridays, and sometimes I don't. So it really just depends on what I have going on and also what's happening in the market. So I've now tested this strategy for 8 weeks. My total pips, I was calculating this throughout the weeks. So for 8 weeks, I have been able to accumulate 750.6 pips. My goal, again, was 50 pips per week times 8 weeks would be 400 pips. I'm up to 750.6 pips, so I'm actually almost twice what my goal is. Okay? How awesome is that? Now, if you are interested in trying this strategy, I would suggest you go back to my earlier videos where I go through what the quick fire strategy is. I'm also going to be coming out with a video here shortly that will show you some additional indicators that you can add to your chart. Let's see here. I will show you that. Some additional indicators that you can add to your chart that will help you with the trade. Okay, that will give you more confidence in your entry and also whether to take the trade or not. So I will be releasing a video very soon on that to show you. For example, there's a lot of extra lines now on my charts that I utilize in conjunction with the quick fire strategy. So I'll be sharing with you a video on how to utilize these additional indicators. But the other thing I wanted to share with you that I think is pretty cool. So week 8, let's scroll back down and look at my week 8. So I was able to gain 163.6 pips. And if we're looking at that and I am getting 10 cents per pip, then obviously the total is $16.36, right, for the week. Not great, but not too shabby either, right? Again, it's not about the money right now at this point. It's about getting the strategy down so that I'm able to consistently get the 10 pips per day. But what I wanted to show you for last week is, let's go to my account history in my broker and let's run a report for last week, and let's look at the income or the profit that I made last week. So let's run a custom report. Whoa. Oh, we don't want to do all history. We want to do, actually. So let's say last week we started trading on the 1st. So the 1st is when the markets opened. And we traded through Friday, but I'll just say Saturday. Saturday we don't trade. So this was basically for last week, and I'll say OK. Sorry, let me scroll up so you can see this. So here are all my trades for last week. 10-1 through 10-6, basically. Okay? My total, 87.43. So I profited last week $87.43. How cool is that? So some of what I'm doing is with the quickfire strategy, but I'm also utilizing the harmonic scanner for other trades, not just the quickfire strategy, but also I'm utilizing the Swipe Trades app. So we get signals from these professional traders that give us the trades. You know, what trades should we go after? What trades should we enter? And that comes through on an app on my phone. I get the information, I copy and paste, and I put it into my MT4, my broker, so I can make the trades. So pretty awesome, guys. Again, if you don't know what the quickfire strategy is, come back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. It's Andie Petoskey is my YouTube channel. I'll put a link below, and check out this ninja strategy or quickfire strategy because it is awesome. So simple, very duplicatable, easy to understand, and also easy to teach. So Andie Petoskey here. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.